Describe the nature, purpose, and legal framework of privileged information regarding evidence. There are special circumstances in which a person could have special information that is evidence but is considered privileged, and said information is protected that the holder does not need to testify. Most likely the person is in a confidential relationship. In the United States, these relationships are such secrecy that it is encouraged and protected. By removing any fear of exposure in court, the law promotes the relationship. When evidence is protected in this fashion, it is called privileged communications. Sometimes in these situations, important relevant information is excluded from trial in recognition of it being considered privileged. With the policy of law, it is considered that the privileged information involved benefits of its secrets outweigh any benefits that society would derive from disclosure. These privileges relationships are strictly limited as they block information from uncovering the truth and prevent full disclosure. Justification of exception of the general rule against privileges must be for the public good. There must be a strong public interest in fostering a relationship in order for the privilege to be recognized in the law of evidence. Fostering relationship privileges are based upon reason. Let's say a priest would not discuss information whether or not they're extended to privilege because the rules of his church prohibit disclosure. If there is no attorney-client privilege, a lawyer has the duty to zealously represent their client, might feel compelled to lie in order to fulfill the duty of zealous representation. Relationship circumstances give rise to privileges, are therefore limited and unique. There are four fundamental conditions that must be established before a person is exempt from testifying in a judicial proceeding based on the claim of privilege. One is confidential communication will not be disclosed. Two, it is the confidentiality must be essential. Three is the relationship of in the option of the community, opinion of the community, to be promoted and protected. And four is injury that would be caused the relationship if disclosure of the communications to be greater than the value of the conversation to the proper resolution of the court case. Other privileged information with regards to evidence involves special relationships are husband and wife, parent-child privilege, attorney-client privilege, patient-physician and psychotherapist privilege, clergy and commutative privilege, and others. Not all are recognized in all states.